Alright, welcome back to the kswap Jazz project. Now, if you caught this on the channel when we did the live, we kswapped it live in this garage. Took us 2 days, and at the end of it, it didn't even run, did it, Liam?
No.
Absolute nightmare. But I was too tired by the end of that to even care, really. But the next day, Liam persevered, and he found an ECU wire, the 12 volt feed for the ECU in the new loom that he'd got, was not quite pushed in on the connector. Pushed that in, fired straight up, which is a bit annoying, but it is done. There's a few little jobs, like the exhaust, which we're doing today, mate. So for now, because obviously all my gear is at the other garage, we'll just modify this. Got a little cone connector, and we'll just left the standard Jazz exhaust on for now, just so we can start it up and move it out. Some of the eagle-eyed viewers might notice the Datsun's back. We've got a video coming on that. As soon as the Jazz is out of the way, we'll get back onto the Datsun. I'll give you a little sneak peek. All brand new. It's exciting, mate. Liam couldn't come in the garage for 2 weeks because his arsehole was even paying for it. But yeah, we're going to get this exhaust on, and then we'll hear it start. I've not heard it start yet. You might be lying. You don't have it running, have you? So we'll get it started up, and then we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, so exhaust is in. Liam's just connecting battery back up, and it's full granny spec out the back. How long are you going to leave it like this for?
As long as possible, I think. I mean the exhaust?
Yeah, the traffic light Grand Prix. No, like, you're going to have it looking standard at the back anyway?
Yeah, I don't want a big fucking shaft hanging out the back.
Full granny pea shooter going on. So, shifters all in. What's that out of, an Integra?
Integra Type R, yeah.
So, shifter out of an Integra. The manifold that pretty much bolts onto this is from the FN2, is it?
Yeah, the engine's FN2.
Yeah. Engine's FN2, and all we have to do is make that little cone adapter for the exhaust, which is decent. You done, mate?
I think so.
Do the honours. I wonder if it's quiet or if it's still a bit.
I don't know, Honda in it, probably.
So it doesn't start now, and you look like a twat. Oh, it doesn't start. Wee, wee. That's a...
What, mate? Stop that, hang on, start not ECU's unplugged.
One fucking job he had.
I'll back that again. Mate.
This is... Take 2 in a minute. Alright, Liam's plugged his shit in now. Just teasing us, weren't you, mate?
Excuse me, I'm teasing because I lost the fucking key.
Oh, for fuck's sake. It's going dark in a minute, mate. You only got 4 hours.
I'll put it somewhere that's like...
This is going to be the longest video to start a Jazz. Just there, mate.
Right, let's try this.
Sounds good.
There's a fuel pump.
Whoa! Is it winner? It doesn't sound too bad. Reasonable.
Smoky, huh?
Smoky Joe. Give her the Italian tune up.
Why not?
Oh, it fucking stinks, mate. Do you want to reverse it out? Feel that coolant I threw everywhere, mate. All the grease burning off the manifold. You've not had it running long, have you? Yeah, that'll burn off, it's gone. Hey, right. Coming to Cadwell near you, mate. Oh, I don't run over your jacks though.
No, I'll take them out, mate.
Liam's gone all fancy, he's got fucking quick jacks and everything. You have to do push them into the middle or disconnect them.
No, disconnect them and then
Got all that steam coming out, that's the head gasket. I'm not pulling that engine out again. We'll sell it. Don't forget this, that exhaust's not had anything running through it in
fucking hell, months.
yeah, ages, so this is how it clears up. It's quiet.
Right.
Should we get outside? First drive, mate. Right, that is it on the Jazz for now. There's a few little issues for Liam to iron out. Basically, the water pump pulley down there is just skimming the frame rail. So we might get away with just spacing out this mount a little bit. Just because if you look at the engine, it sort of sits a bit on the piss. So we might try and level that out and then it should pull it away a little bit. The other scenario is not what we want to be doing, is take the engine out and notch the frame rail like we did on this side. But we shouldn't have to do that, it's only like, you know, gnat's cock, like a mil or so, so fingers crossed, that'll be alright. And then, track day time. So, next video, we will be on the Datsun, and I can't wait because it's been a long time coming. It's just had a lot of work done. So, thanks for watching, see you later.